Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be an introductory video for my backend engineering course that I have recently updated, and I'm going to add more videos into it. So I will explain you what kind of videos I have already added and what I am going to teach next in this course. So let's start. Like most of the backend developers knows how to build APIs, but a very few of them understands what is happening under the hood. So if you are tired of like if you think there is some kind of magic that is happening under your code, or if you are tired of seeing black boxes in your architecture, then you are in the right place. If you have any confusion, any doubt, or you are totally beginner in backend engineering, this course is perfect place for you because I'm not going to waste your time. I'm not going to use fillers. I will teach you exactly what is used in backend engineering. So I am working as a backend engineer since last 3 years. We don't need to know everything in it. We just need to know what exactly helps us to write the code. What most of the times what code we are going to write. I'm going to teach you that how if like how backend scales and how it breaks. Everything I'm going to explain in this video, and there will be very less black boxes. If you have any kind of doubt, you can surely ask in comment if you think this is a kind of black box for me which I don't understand. But I will try to explain you everything without any abstraction so that you will be having no doubt and you can explain everything to other people also. So teaching is something which I'm just teaching it because I know it very clearly. If I don't know something in a very good way, I cannot teach it. So that's why it is important for me also to understand backend engineering before teaching it. So as far as now, how much I know, I'm gonna teach everything in this course, and I hope you all will enjoy it, and I hope it will add some more knowledge to your brain. So throughout this playlist, I'm going to use Django and Django REST framework for writing our server-side code. So I'm not going to teach any kind of front end in it. So if your target is full stack engineering, full stack development, this course is not right for you because we are just going to cover the things which are important from backend engineering perspective. There will be no front end. It will be all APIs, and I will explain you each terms very in the easiest way possible. So that's why this course is just for backend engineers whose target is to write server-side code. And I hope you all will enjoy this course. I am very pretty sure that this is not gonna make you feel bored. So you will write a lot of code. There will be very less theory. The course will be very practical. We are gonna build a lot of projects here, which will make things clear. And I think clarity is more important than learning. So whatever we know, we should be clear about it. There should be no black boxes, which is the main focus of this course, to remove black boxes from your mind, to understand backend engineering. And I hope you all will enjoy it. So let's see. And one more thing which I would like to add is the prerequisites for this course. So you must know Python. You must know object-oriented programming with Python. So basic Python is the thing that you need to know. You should know like how to write if else, how to write for loop, and a few things that you have to know is about how Python works. So basically, memory management in Python, and a few data structures, and a lot of things you can explore later. But these are some basic things that you need to know before starting. And in object-oriented programming, you should know class-based, like how to write class objects, inheritance, polymorphism, method overriding, overloading. These things you should be aware of. And if you don't know, please go and learn class-based object-oriented programming because it is very important from Django's perspective. And in this course, we